Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. Welcome back to anyone who has just stumbled upon my channel. I am Kenny. I do a lot of luxury videos, as you could see from the background. I am obsessed with bags, and especially like designer bags. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify all the videos that I do make. Today, oh my gosh, it's on my lap right now. It's an Hermes reveal. It's a bag. Um, right. Okay. So I have been like seeing a lot of videos about the Row Margot bag. I actually quite like it. It reminds me a little bit of the Celine luggages when it was so trendy back then, and I feel like it kind of filled that kind of, not a gap, but an affordable Birkin. So yeah. I mean, I was drawn to this bag even before the Margot came out, but I just thought, I was like in two minds. Do I get the Margot or should I just buy this bag? But mind you, I initially liked this one. This is the first one that I was drawn to before the Margot bag. But in the end, I feel like this is like more value for my money. And you know, like quiet luxury is so at the moment right now. So yeah, I'll give you more like insights of what I think about the Margot bag, and like it's a Birkin killer, or it's like the new Birkin as they say. But without rambling too much, I would reveal my new to me Hermes bag. So yeah, like here, this is it. Here it is. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the Hermes So Kelly in Togo leather, in Noah, in Palladium hardware. So why was I drawn to this bag? So I've been watching Vogue's like 7 Day 7 Looks videos, and I saw Camille Rowe. She featured hers was like a vintage one, and it's like this chocolatey brown in gold hardware. And I feel like it's such an interesting like silhouette. It's like a tote. It's actually a tote. So yeah, you can just shoulder bag it like this, and it's not too like flashy as a Birkin or a Kelly bag, because you know, if it's like on your shoulder like this, you kind of like hide that very iconic emblem right there, the closure. So yeah, I kind of vibe with this. But I'll tell you something about this bag that's like keeping me from like keeping it basically. I have a gripe about this bag and I will tell you later on. So yeah, it started with me like watching Camille Rowe, and so like I was swept away with it. So I started looking for this bag in like the vintage ones, but they're quite expensive. And so I just kept looking and I forgot about it. And then I came across this bag on Vestiaire Collective. It's still got the tag over here. I just thought it's quite a good deal, especially in this black version, which is quite, what do you call that term? Covetable. You know, it's a basic black bag. You cannot go wrong with it. Any outfit would fit great in this. And yeah, actually I have not like pulled this out so far, but I was trying to keep it, not to reveal it as yet. So yeah, the only thing that's like preventing me from keeping this bag is the strap. It's kind of short for me. I have quite a wide shoulder, And I'm finding it hard. I'm finding it hard for this bag to just stay put on my shoulder. It constantly slips off. I feel like it should have been a bit, you know, like longer. And this is the like the longest setting for this bag. I wish it would have been longer, but I mean, I can definitely like change the strap. But for the price that you pay for this bag, it should have been, you know, done for you, and you don't have to do anything about it. But that's just me, okay? Maybe if you're a very petite lady, like, you know, slender and, you know, skinny, I feel like this would perfectly fit on you, but that's just my opinion. Um, but yeah, it's a beautiful bag, I must say. It smells insanely good. It's like addictive. And the feel of this leather is just insane. Yeah, I get why people say that, you know, the quality is there. I can actually see that. I mean, it's a basic like design, nothing much to it. So yeah, there's a slip pockets on both sides of the bag, a zip compartment on the front there, and then a slip one at the back. So yeah, the closure is right here. There's no closure at the top, but it's quite, you know, tight. And if you bang this across the shoulder, you won't really like worry about people like going through your stuff. And you know, once you open that, yeah, it does make for like a good like day bag, I feel. It's quite roomy, I must say. You can fit quite a substantial amount of stuff in here. But it's just that that strap is just keeping me from, you know, owning the bag. But I just want to keep it for now. I want to keep it in the collection and see how I go with it. But it's a stunning bag, and I feel like it's barely used because the hardware has like little to no scratches in it. I feel like the sticker have just been taken off. I can see a bit of mark over here, which I'm, you know, I'm grateful for. It feels like I'm the first owner, something like that. But yeah. All right, I just want to move on to the Margot. I feel like any bag that is like pitted against, or is like they say like the new Birkin, it fades away. It doesn't last. Um, I feel like that's just how I see that. The Margot bag is a bag on its own. It's not the Birkin. It's not the new Birkin or whatsoever. Because every time something gets pitted against the Birkin, you know, they don't stay in the limelight or it doesn't become a classic. But yeah, that's my take on the Margot bag. I love the bag. It's such a beautiful take on a tote bag. But yeah, yeah, what do you think about my newest baby? I do quite like it. It's just that the strap, it's too short for me. But yeah, let me know if you have this bag. What's your experience on it? Do you think that the strap is actually too short? But yeah, that's it for today, you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll probably see you on my next video. Please take care, and yeah, bye.